Hi guys, your girl's coming back to you from the Disney Character Warehouse. Well, not really. I'm at the Vineland Premium Outlets, but the Disney Character Warehouse store is right back there. So we're close to it. So that's where we're heading to. So come along, let's see what we can find and buy. I mean, just fine, boo. That's all. We're just looking. All the trains went down to $80. They still have a few of them. Let's see what else changed in prices. Still lots of Christmas doggy stuff. Any change in prices? Let's see. $7.99. No changes in the prices. Alright, these ears went down to $3.99. Let's see what else we can find. $7.99, $2.99. So these have gone down. So you see the tea light holders down to $3.99. The bigger bowl, the OBI-WAN, I believe is $14. So let me see the Crocs. $19.99. These are kids. $12.99. Alright, I did say if this bubble wand went down in price, I would get it. It's down to $7.99. I'll have to think about that now. The cookie stroll went down to $7.99. It was previously $12.99. I thought it was $19.99 the last time I looked at it. Tiana tumblers are $12.99. I don't know, $12.99. All the Crocs are $29.99.
Where are you going, sweetheart?
Halloween lounge fly, $30. Still $12.99. There are some Christmas pins here for $8.99. Pop sockets for $7.99. This is new. $34.99. They moved all the Marvel stuff over on this wall. This is new. It's Tiana collection. $20. This hat's new for $14.99. And there's the t-shirt, tank top to match it for $12.99. Let me see, Star Wars still here.
And here?
An apron, it's a Figment apron from 2022 Food and Wine for $12.99. And they have the cutting boards, or you can use it for a cheese board for $12.99. And I found one, and I don't know where it came from. Oh, I see more now. For $12.99, you got a pizza cutting board. Okay, a couple new shirts for the girls. Oh, look at this. Let me see. Okay, you got paper, little pockets, ink pens, $24.99. You are heavier than 10 pounds. Okay, a couple new toys here. $19.99. And he's still $21. Got some play sets for What If for $19.99. No, Hungry Hippos, $19.99. The play sets are $14.99. Some Lightyear toys are here. A little Tervis, or not a Tervis, little cup, $12.99. And Zorg is $19.99. Color changing mug. It changes colors for $5.99. I kind of like that. And it is machine washable. No, it's not dishwasher safe or microwave safe. I kind of like it. It's a nice big mug. I might have to think about that one for $5.99. And then this one is, I don't know. You guys probably know who this is. $5.99. And the Mexico Pavilion, $10.99 still. This is a new one. $5.99. Graduation ears are now $2.99. The caps are $3.99. No, the caps are $2.99 also. Those ears went down to $3.99. Oh, and they have Mickey here. In the tiki room, oh, $12.99. Oh, the holiday plush is $6.99. That's down. Alright, no, I did not need this mug. I do not have room for this mug. But it's a color changing mug. I have to get it. So, I guess I am buying something today. Well, the Disney Character Warehouse had some price changes on some things. Those Starbucks tumblers. I was really hoping to get a couple of them. They were sold out. I almost wonder if they went down in price and that's why they sold out. Because seeing some price changes on things kind of makes you think that those had gone down, because they had boxes and boxes, oodles and oodles of them for the past 3 weeks, and then all of a sudden they're gone. And seeing price changing, that kind of gets me thinking that maybe they put that price down and that's why they sold out so fast. I don't know. But if they show back up next week, I'll let you know. But we never know what's going to happen from week to week. You never know what they bring into the store. Now, they do bring in items that are still available in the park. They bring them in here for 50% off. Sometimes a little less, 30 to 50% off. You'll see brand new items come in here that are still at the park. So, not everything here is old merchandise. So some of it is new merchandise, but Disney has like an overstock of it, an overflow stock of it at the park, so they'll bring it here to help thin down their pile, especially if they haven't been selling that great in the park. They figure bring it here, 50% off, somebody will bite and take it. So that it varies on what they get here. And just because they're sold out of things one day doesn't mean they're not going to bring them back. Because sometimes they will bring them back. It's just they only bring in a few. They bring enough in to get you to bite and want to come and spend money and buy things and think, oh, it's here. And then it disappears. And then when it comes back, everybody goes in crazy over it, trying to get to these new items that are there. Well, which they'd already been there, but they, you know what I mean? Does that make sense? They get you to bite. Disney tempts you all the time. You know, Disney comes out with all these new collections to get people to buy these collections. Because you gotta have them. Damn you, Disney. But they did get me on the mug. And I don't remember seeing that mug at the park or at Disney Springs. So, where did it come from? I don't know. But, alright, so that's it for the warehouse Wednesday. And it's been a pleasure taking you guys to the Disney Character Warehouse store with me. As always, guys, thank you for being here. And I love you all. Mm.